Okay, Lynn, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now here, Lynn, I have here this one. This was the fruits and vegetables that you were able to answer last time. So, Lynn, I am going to read the description of this, and then you tell me what kind of fruit is this, okay? Now, Lynn, the color of this fruit is yellow and it has green, and they said that they have eyes. What do you think is that? What fruit is that? It's yellow and green, and they said that it got so much eyes. What kind of fruit is that? It's a,
This is
it's from the picture. What kind of fruit is that? The picture. Yellow
is
and green, and it has so many eyes.
this mango.
It's a mango. Does a mango have eyes? It has eyes. That is a, what's this, Lynn? What's this? It is yellow
This
and
is
green. It's a, what?
pineapple.
It's a pineapple. Okay. Now, Lynn, this one is a kind of fruit that it's very sour if it's green and sweet if it's yellow. Oh, if it's green, it's very sour. But if it's yellow, it's sweet. What kind of fruit is that? It's from the picture.
This watermelon.
Is it watermelon? Watermelon is sour? It, if it's green, it's sour. If it's yellow, it's sweet.
Mango.
It's a mango. Very good. Okay. Now here, Lynn, another one. This kind of fruit is, it has purple and green color, and it's small. Small and purple. What do you think is that? And we can make wine from it. We use this to make a wine. It's a,
This
sometimes it's green, sometimes it's purple.
is grape.
Grape. Very good, very good, very good. This one, Lynn, it's a kind of vegetable that we use to make French fries. We use to make it French fry. It's color brown.
This onion.
It's onion. We can make French fries from the onion. We make a French fries. It's a, what is it?
It's a potato.
Mhm. Very good. It's a potato. Very good, Lynn. Great work. You were able to answer my questions. Okay. That's for the guessing. Okay. Lynn, where are the people in the picture? Look at the people. Where do you think are they? Where are they? They are in the
They are in the sea.
very good. They are in the sea. Now, here, Lynn, can you write the correct spelling of tomatoes and potatoes? You see it? There is a name potato and tomato. One complete tomatoes and potatoes. Many. If we say tomato, it's only one. If we say tomatoes, that's many. Okay. How about potatoes?
Two.
Okay, write the word potatoes. Okay, very good. All right. So here, Lynn, I have here 3 arrows. Can you write what's the name of this one, second, and third? Look at the picture. Try to write the correct spelling of the following pictures. Go.
Teacher, I don't know.
Okay. Lynn, what's your answer number 1? What's the first picture? It's a,
Foot.
what is that? It's foot. How about 2?
Sit.
Feet. How about the third one? Okay, look at the answer, Lynn. The first one is what we called foot. Second is feet. And next is, what's the third one? It's the, what's that?
Toes.
Toes. Okay. Lynn, how many feet do you have? How many feet do you have? You have
And so
how many
1
feet?
feet.
Only 1 feet? How many feet do you have?
And so 1 feet.
1? You have 2 feet. The left and the right. We call this 2 feet. Okay. Next, Lynn. How about toes? How many toes do you have? Toes.
And so 10 toes.
Huh? I have 10 toes. Very good, Lynn. You have 10 toes. Okay, correct. Okay, please read, Lynn. Lynn, please read. Please read, Lynn. We've got
We watch banana.
bananas. Again.
Bananas. 9 lemons. 8 potatoes. 7 mangoes. 6 tomatoes. 5 beans. 4 onions. 3 apples. 2
Apples.
pears. Apples. 2 pears. And 1 potato.
Very good. So as you can see here, Lynn, if the fruit is more than 1, we sometimes write S to the word like potatoes, bananas, lemons, mangoes, tomatoes, beans. But if it's only 1, if it's singular, we don't put S. Okay, understand, Lynn? Those are plural and singular. Okay, Lynn, in here, can you guess what is it? All right, so here, Lynn, can you guess what's this? Sorry. Okay, Lynn, look at the picture. What fruit is in this drink? What are the fruits in this drink? Can you put a tick? Good.
Yes.
Okay, wait, sorry, Lynn. Lynn, you listen to the audio and try to listen, put a tick on what's in Ben's funny fruit drink, okay? As you can see, there are boxes. Choose, Lynn, you choose 5. Okay, Lynn, choose 5 fruits that is found in here, okay? So,
16D. What's your favorite fruit? What's in Ben's funny drink? Listen and tick 5 boxes.
What are you doing, Ben?
I'm making a nice drink, Grandpa. It's called Funny Lemonade.
And what's in your drink?
It's got a lemon in it, But I'm putting a banana in it too.
Right.
And I'm putting a pear in it now.
A pear.
Yes. And I'm adding some juice from an orange to it.
From an orange. Okay.
And now something long and orange.
A carrot?
That's right. I'm putting a carrot in this drink too.
Yuck.
All right, Lynn, do you have answers now?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. What are the fruits in the drink of Ben? What are the fruits that's found there? Fruits are
Fruits are pear, carrots, orange, banana, and lemon.
okay. So you have chosen here the pear, carrot, orange, banana, and lemon. All right. So Lynn, let's check your answer if these fruits are found from the fruit drink of Ben. The correct answers, Lynn, are oy, correct. There's a lemon. There's banana, correct? There is a pear too. There is an orange and oy, perfect. Very good, Lynn. It means that you are able to understand the audio that you have listened because you were able to find the five fruits that are found in Ben's drink. Okay, good job, Lynn. You got it. All right, so Lynn, we will end our class there because it's already time. And Lynn, very good for today's class because you were able to get a good score from the last activity. Though from the first one, you've got mistakes, but that's okay, okay? It's still okay because you were able to answer the last part perfectly. Congratulations, Lynn. You did well. So, Lynn, keep it up, okay? Keep up the good work. And that's all for today, Lynn. Goodbye, Lynn. See you next time.
Goodbye, teachers.
Bye-bye. See you again.